I would say prior to maybe 6 months ago, you had to do stuff that was take a document. Well, let me back up. Let me just say what's happening. So instead of a relational database like we're all used to, even if you don't know what it's called, that's your standard database type. For RAG databases or AI friendly databases, we should just say AI friendly databases
Yeah,
for
I
the
think that's
rest
the
of
easiest
this.
way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
much better.
Yeah.
It's what happens is you would take, say, like a PDF. So if you had a PDF that you wanted to put in a database, what you would need to do is break that down into a bunch of separate text chunks. Like it might be 1,000 character text chunks from that PDF, and then do what's called create embeddings. And then you put that into a vector database. And that vector database is creating relationships between all those text chunks that essentially runs an algorithm and says, how similar are these text chunks? And that is going to be your AI friendly database. And what happens is when a query comes into that database, it runs a similar equation or algorithm and says, well, what are the most relevant text chunks to that query? And it pulls those out of the database. So instead, if you have 100 documents, right, a regular AI chat or a regular AI project is not going to be able to handle all that information in a cohesive way without
Yeah, it's too much.
hallucinating.
It's too much.
Too much, too
Yeah,
much, too much for anybody to handle, humans
really
included.
is.